First, I wanted to keep this simple for you to understand. This process is not complicated. Once you set it up and get the surveys going, it will truly be a set it and forget it moneymaker. You will receive 8 to 25 cents on every survey you complete. Each survey you complete will cost you $1. After 48 hours, the surveys will be processed and you will receive a deposit of $1 plus the profit of 8 to 25 cents. So the profit can be as low as 8 cents and up to 25 cents. You can have up to 100 cards on file to do surveys. Each card can only do up to $14 a day. Of course, you will need to have the money to do this because 100 cards times $14 equals 1,400 spending limit each day. Great thing is, you can start today by setting everything up, letting your profits roll back and forth on your card to do more surveys and build up at least 4,000 a week like myself. So let's begin. You're going to type in http://gutbars.com. http://gutbars. First, you will see roadside assistance. Now, even if you do not have a car, you need to fill this out. Type in any make and model. The most important part is to put your real information here. This is just the front offer to get you in, so repeat, put your real information. Now guys, this can change later and they can have new front offers to sign up with. It's okay. Regardless what it is, you will always put your real information on this part. Next, you're going to put in your credit card information. Now before you get scared, let me reassure you, it's fine. This will charge you $1 today, and I'll explain how to get your monthly fee of $10 paid for, making this a free monthly moneymaker. You will make hundreds of dollars and even thousands as months build up. As you see right here, I receive consistent payments and I have 2 separate accounts. So put your information in and click the submit button. Next, you will check off the first 3 boxes and not the last one that says, I checked all the boxes and didn't read anything. LO, not a good idea. Check the box with the time intervals to monthly. Now put your real phone number. They will call you right now and give you a verification number to verify. Let's say you messed up and put in the wrong phone number. You click the backspace and put in the new number. Now let's take the call. Click verify. So guys, now you're inside. The first step is to set up your direct deposit so you can receive payments like I receive daily. Guys, you need to have some types of checking or saving to receive these daily payments. They do not send any checks or pay through PayPal. Once again, this is a real business that has been around for years. They pay with ACH deposits daily. So you need the account name, routing number, and account number. Select the account type, checking or savings, and then click the Add My Direct Deposit Account button. Next, add a new card. You want to make sure you click the Add This Card to Automated Pro Reviews. So when I'm at school all day, my surveys are being done automatically because of pro reviews. So I'll explain later on how you can do manual or automatic surveys. When you are done registering your account, I want you to call your bank and let them know you authorized any $1 charge from this company. This way, you can charge the amount of money you want on your card and receive ACH deposits back on your account easily. You want to make sure that your bank does not think these $1 charges are a scam. You need to call them and tell them that you authorized these charges as soon as you get off this line. Remember, you spend $1 on the survey to earn 8 to 25 cents in profit. The banks would never give you this ROI, trust me. Okay, so what you want to do is click this button, I'm feeling lucky, generate a number. Your card should already be selected, and now click Order Report. Your order has been received. Now it will take them a little while to process this. Once it's processed, you can start doing single reviews. Now guys, if you have $50 in your account with the banking card, you will have the ability to take advantage of pro reviews. Instead of doing single reviews manually, you will let it run automatically and do it 50 times. Now you might be asking, what are they running? With this offer, they are generating numbers and asking you if the information matches. You are being the eye for the company who is offering the survey. But the middleman company that is hiring us offers an automatic system that's the pro reviews. And guys, like I said, you receive anywhere from 8 cents up to 25 cents on the dollar for every survey. So that's 8 to 25%. So on the low end, you're spending $50 on a survey, you will make $4. And if you're receiving 25%, you will make $12.50. At first, I thought this was chump change, but guys, it adds up, especially for me as a former struggling college student. So make sure to click Pro Reviews. Click the I'm Feeling Lucky button and make sure you're using the same card. Then go to the bottom and click on Order Reports. Next, let's complete your W-9 form. So click the W-9 tab at the top. Now, if you have a business, you can use this for tax purposes. If you don't, no problem. Then fill out your information and put in your social security number or employer identification number if you have a business. Check all 4 boxes under certification. Type your name and click the Submit W-9 form. That's it. You're all done with registration. Now, as soon as you're finished with these first 4 steps, I need you to email me your membership number and the email address you are using on your account. I have been with this company for a while, so I can send an email to the manager and speed up your process and ask them if they can give you a money bonus. This is when you receive more money off of your first few surveys. To locate your member ID number, just go to the top right and you will see it under your name. Last but not least, on the 3rd day after you sign up, call them up at 855-492-0879 and tell them you want to be put on the $10 a month program. This way you are never charged $19.95. Now guys, all you have to do is make sure the single or pro reviews are going through. You will start building up your accounts to receive money like this. In the beginning, I used to just keep rolling the money back into my account. I would spend the money off my card doing the surveys and receive ACH deposits. Then use the profit plus what I started with to do more surveys. And now I'm at a large amount, pulling in thousands monthly while still doing clinicals for nursing school. So to recap, after you set up your account, make sure you call your bank after you get the first charge for $1. This will come out as soon as you begin doing surveys. Tell your bank to authorize these payments. Set up your direct deposit and your W-9 form. If you have enough money, order the pro reviews for 50 surveys to speed up the process. Based on your budget, you can keep doing pro reviews daily or just do single reviews. It takes them 48 hours to process your payment, and then they will send over the payment to your bank as an ACH deposit. You will receive 8 to 25 cents in profit each survey. Do not forget to email me after you set this up with your member ID number and the email address you signed up with, so I can contact them and speed up your process and see if they can give you a bonus. So guys, I have a bonus for you, and this is huge. I don't know if you remember me stating that my boyfriend forced me to get into surveys. At first, I didn't get it, but now I can't stop looking at my bank account. My boyfriend is special, so special that he grossed over $10 million with his online businesses in the last 4 years, and he's only 22 years old, doing e-com, affiliated marketing, surveys, and other ninja stuff. I asked him if he would be willing to add a bonus to people that jumped on this free training. So, for 10 people, you will be added to his email coaching. The same email coaching responsible for 327 young entrepreneurs from around the world who have created a $5,000 to $10,000 monthly income stream. He emails out updates on the latest money makers, how-to instructions, training from himself or his partners who are responsible for over $300 million in sales in the last 7 years. And you'll be able to email him at any time, asking him whatever is on your mind, even if you need a problem solved. Now get this, he charges $297 a month to be on his email coaching. But for the first 10 people that sign up right now, you can get the email coaching for a measly $4 a week. That's it. The price will never change, he promised me. He loves the fact that I'm taking an initiative and helping people out. So only $4 a week. You may be watching this video right now on YouTube or somewhere else on the web. This bonus is super serious. You want to try and sign up as soon as possible. If you go to the website and it has a waiting list, that means you missed out. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure you go and sign up. This is how I met this guy through an e-commerce training he started. He was making $1 million a year about 2 years ago. Then he sent out this information on how to make money doing surveys, and I jumped on the opportunity immediately. We have become great friends now, and the rest is an amazing history. Take full advantage and make sure you sign up.